Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to edit human faces present in the photo in Samsung smartphones running One UI. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the gallery application and say I have one human photo. So now just click on this pencil like icon. Now you can see here one 4 circle like icon. Just click on it. Now you will see here one option written face effects. As you can see here, face effects, just click on it. Now you can increase or decrease the smoothness of the face depending upon your needs. And next option is tones, so you can change the tone color, so you can see here. And next is a jawline effect. You can increase or decrease the human face's jawlines. Next is eyes, so you can increase the size of the eyes also, that is you can enlarge. Next is fix blemishes, so you can fix the blemishes depending upon your needs, whichever fix blemishes you want. Next is background blur, so you can increase the background blur also, whichever background blur you want. And the last one is the fix red eye, so you'll auto select the eyes, so you can just click on each eye in order to fix the red eye if it is a red eye showing up on your respective human photo. So once you're done, you can just click on this done, and after that you can just click on this save. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily edit human faces present in the photo in Samsung smartphones running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.